Welcome to the Amsterdam vlog.
Alright, so today we're going to some Heineken experience.
What are we gonna experience?
We're gonna experience some Heineken. Outside, with the outside. Doing some manipulations right here, buddy. Cheers.
Yummy.
We're almost there. Oh yeah. Так, в общем, время 10:12. Я беру поезд, чтобы побыстрее доехать до города. Только что пропустил свой, если честно, но ничего. Вроде следующий буквально через 5 минут приедет, поэтому не все так плохо. А на самом деле все хорошо. Fresh, my guy. We're here. Прямо как в видосе у Варламова. Тот же туннель. Вау. Ну это же просто красотища какая. Смотрите, в туннеле. Здесь проезжают велосипедисты. Говорят, что вот эта улица, по которой я только что пришел, ну вот перед паромом, это самая занятая улица велосипедная. Возможно, и во всем мире. Ну, по крайней мере, в Европе. Alright guys, we made it. It's kind of crazy to realize finally after months and months of planning, just standing here in the city center, basically. You can see pretty much like the main square. Over there, I believe on the right, over there-ish, is the central station, Amsterdam Central, and yeah, I'm just over here admiring the memorial. I believe it's after, yeah, I believe it has been put after the war heroes, after the World War II. I'm pretty sure. I have to check it out still. It's really astonishing, to be honest. And yeah, it's just located right here for all of us to see. And over there, I'm not sure if you can see, is a dude in his underwear, just chilling, looking out the window. Is he gonna go in? I'm not sure. Do you see him still? Go over there. But anyways, it's beautiful, amazing to finally be here. Oye, pero ¿de dónde eres tú?
De España.
De España, sí. Yo vengo de España.
Ah, sí.
Mi abuelo era de Málaga.
¿Ah, tú vives de Málaga?
Sí, pues acabo de llegar.
Vienes con acento andaluz, además.
No, es que vivo en Almería.
Ah, sí, sí.
Pero sí, tuve que...
Tienes acento andaluz, qué gracioso.
Más o menos, sí,
Sí,
más
sí,
o menos.
no, sí, de verdad.
Yo, fam, where you at?
Vamos arriba, chicos. Vamos arriba.
Sorry, yeah, I'm looking for 205.
205?
Yeah, is it there?
This one.
Oh, okay, yeah, I just went all the way to the left and to the right. Thank you. Perfect. So we've got another guy living with us. And it's gonna be the three of us. Yo, what's up, gang? What's up? You already know. You already know who organized this. You already know. So here's the view from the window. Cannot say that it's too bad. Well, broke student style, yeah? Here we're gonna spend 2 nights. This one and Saturday to Sunday. And yeah, let the adventure begin. I'm so hyped to see Sasha. Goddamn, that's Sashko, you know, the little bro of mine. Haven't seen him for 6 years. Can you imagine? It's gonna be a wild experience. There. Oh my days, bro. Oh my days, oh my bro, you're small as hell. What the? I thought you would be big. Oh my days, man. Oh my, hey man. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Tima, man.
Nice to meet you.
This guy. Oh my god. I thought you would be like this. Oh my days. Oh my days, bro.
What the fuck?
Let's go inside. Oh my days. That's crazy. That's crazy. What the fuck?
Yo,
What's happening?
what's happening, man?
We outside. Welcome to the Amsterdam vlog. What's happening, fam?
We are searching for French fries.
Yeah, we're going to Mannequin Piss. You already know. We got Sasha. Sasha just over there, chilling. Gonna get some French fries. And we're gonna go on our merry way. And there's a lot of people, bro. I mean, it's Saturday, so here's how a Saturday midday looks in Amsterdam.
So how are we doing today, chat? How are we doing?
Wow. Documentary. Sure. How to eat hummus. Bassin.
The juiciest one. Hey yo. Hey yo, spit some games,
Alright, so today we're going to some Heineken experience.
What are we gonna experience?
We're gonna experience some Heineken.
True that.
What's good?
Wow, that's beautiful, look at that. Oh.
Alright, let's wait for everyone. Come close, because I want to show you something that is close to me. So
Things ain't going good, buddy. Ain't going good. See this long text?
Cooking right now.
Outside, with the outside. Doing some manipulations right here, buddy. Manipulating, you know? I don't know. What's up? Bro, you gotta secure the bag. You already know what's gonna happen. You're gonna demolish those. Demolish.
Yummy.
Go for it, man. I wanna like record your reactions. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers, lads.
We're out here. We're inside.
We outside. Hey yo.